Hello and welcome to this tutorial on data analysis in your web browser, or in other words, how to run a Jupyter Notebook. Here we're going to use 13 TeV Atlas Open Data as an example, but this skill is relevant to running any Jupyter Notebook. For this demonstration, we're going to use the graviton analysis. Let's click on that. Here we are in a Jupyter Notebook on my binder. If you're interested in this analysis, you can pause this video and read through the introductions. But I'm going to go to this part that says that notebooks are web applications that allow you to create and share documents that contain any of these three things: 1, live code, 2, visualizations, and 3, narrative text. Here there are the contents of the Jupyter Notebook, and the first thing is some instructions on how to run a Jupyter Notebook. To run a whole Jupyter Notebook, you can go to Cell and Run All. Or if you make a change to some piece of code, like change this to assist, and then back again, you can propagate that change to the rest of the code by clicking on Cell and then Run All below. Or you can also run a single code cell by clicking Cell and Run Cells, or much easier using the keyboard shortcut Shift plus Enter. So this one, it says there's no need on my binder. That's what we're using, so we'll skip to the next one. This one we do need to do, so I'll do Shift Enter. The star means that it's processing, and I'll go to the next one, click on the next one. That one finished immediately. And then keep going through. Keep clicking Shift plus Enter. Keep clicking. Here. Like I said, the star means that that current block of code is being processed. And then once there's a number in that little block, that means that cell has finished. So pause this video and wait patiently for that cell to finish. Okay, now that this cell has a number, that means that it's finished, so we can move on. Let's keep scrolling until we don't see any number anymore. And there we go. Everything has finished, and we've got a nice plot at the end. So that's it for how to run a Jupyter Notebook. Now you can go off and explore all of the Jupyter Notebooks that we have. Enjoy!